Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you are doing well. Today I will teach you how can someone add payment method to the Facebook account. So it's new for everyone. So let's dive into our lecture. So when I will open my Facebook page, it will show in the left section, and I can see here uh, ad manager. Let me check in here. I will find ads manage. When I will click on this ad manager button, it will take me to this page. Okay, so this page will show this kind of desktop. It have campaigns, delivery, bid category, and budget. This page will show you the data related to their ads. So when I will click on review and publish button, it will show me a pop-up, and pop-up says that you can add payment method. Payment method may have your Visa card and other cards, and it have another option that if you have a credit claim, you can go to check in, and then you can move to next. But I didn't have, so I will go to next button without checking in. So I want to add my Visa card, so I am going to next with Visa. So here it will show me name of card, so you can see here all the details okay. So after that, when I will move to save button, it will ask me code that I will receive on my phone number. After entering the phone number, it will generate a message that you have successfully added the payment method to this Facebook account. So after that, you can use your that credit to any purchasing or on ad manager. So this is all the process that we can use to add Facebook payment method to the Facebook. So this is all about adding payment method, and I didn't add because I didn't need to add my card to this Facebook account, because I never purchased any campaigns or work like that. So this is all about. Hopefully you will enjoy this lecture, and please ignore my English as this is not my native language. Stay tuned, stay blessed.